There's Jim, hey? Having his best life, hanging out the window. Absolutely loves it. Oh, jeez. Look at that. Right, what's going to happen on the other side of this? Shit. So we're just cruising down 16-mile Jeep at the moment. It's in pretty good nick. Again, it'll be a lot worse, or in the wet, you know. It's very smooth, and it's just clay, so yeah, coming up would just have to be like put your foot to the floor and up she goes. Going down, stick to the ruts, but there aren't even many ruts in this one at the moment. Be very cautious, but in the dry, that's fine, not even dusty. Just finished 16-mile Jeep, just landed at Bindere. Have a look at this hut. It's a bit different, this one. Dirt floor. But if that's all you had, I'm sure you'd make do. Dark in here too. Yeah, it's still a good hut. Open fire. Yes, great. Here we are at Craig's. No one's made himself much at home. Loving it. Beautiful spot. Beautiful hut. Time to have some lunch, I think, and then we'll start looking for camp. Good boy. The birds are all chirping. We're just having a bit of a look at the map. We're just here at Craig's. We're going to head down Circuit Road, see if we can find a spot to camp. Maybe Weston's Track is where we'll head, in that general direction. So when the sun comes out, it's quite warm, but it's still pretty fresh, so still got the jacket on. A few birds chirping around. There's no one around though. It's beautiful. We'll get going. See you out there. I've done a fair bit of clearing on this track. Preventative maintenance, maybe just chopping down trees that look like they might be about to fall down, block the road. There's another bunch here. Track's in pretty good condition up here. Starting to get a bit high in elevation now. You can start to see the snow gums starting to take shape as we pop up. Cracking afternoon, sun shining, it's starting to warm up a bit. Beautiful. Vine Creek track down there's closed. Jeez. There you go. there's one for you. Mind Creek Track. It's closed. Don't know why. Just had signs up at the front. Forestries must be doing something down there, maybe, or fixing it. Yep. On our way to find a little camp spot up here. Look at the sky. Beautiful. We're just playing camp. What a spot. And as luck would have it, there's no one around. It's beautiful. Look at all these old, burnt out, twisted snow gums. How haunting they look. Yeah, I love them. They look great. This is a great area up here. So many spots, you know, for small groups and things just to get into. Not many people come up here, so it's the way we like it. No one around, nice and peaceful. Look at this. It's beautiful. We'll get camp set up. See you in a minute. Now it's that time of day. Time to get the fire started. Beautiful afternoon. Cracking views of the mountains out there. Surrounded by snow gums. Beautiful. Even the birds are quite quiet at the moment. It's hardly a peep. We'll sit back here and relax and enjoy this. And get that fire going. There's some wood here. We've got a couple of logs to split up behind us. Bloody blowies. But yeah. Great. See you soon, guys. The fire's going now. The clouds even starting to settle in the mountains over there. A bit hard to see on this. The sun's starting to set. At least the fires have all buggered off. They were bad this afternoon. They were bad, but yeah, beautiful evening turning out to be. Look at the sky, it's beautiful. Be sleeping under a million stars tonight, so I'll get Bob up there shortly. See if we can get some nice footage as the sun goes down. See how we go. No wind anymore. The wind's all died off. It's got to be nice. It's got to be a nice evening. Look at this fire. See you soon. Well, the sun's all but set now. Sit around here for the fire for a bit. Jim's just getting himself ready for bed. He loves it up here. Amazing. We're going to sit back here. I've got the footstool out. Just keep my feet nice and warm. Watch the stars come out. And that'll be it. I think we'll leave it there for tonight. See you in the morning. It's going to be cold tonight, that's for sure. See you then. What a morning. Beautiful sunrise. It's a bit fresh. It's beautiful. Let's get some brekkie on the go. Cracking morning. Brekkie time. We're all packed up. He's ready to hit the tracks. Plenty of firewood left behind for whoever comes past. Cracking morning. It's still a bit fresh. Wind's picked up a frag, but that's alright. Let's go. Time. Just rolling out of camp there. Great spot, high altitude camping, gotta love it. And now we're back, rolling on the tracks. Rolling on the tracks again. Beautiful morning, tracks are clear. Just driving down Buttercup there, camps 1, 2, 3 and 4. Still got a lot of people in there. It's a great spot, very popular. Well worth checking out if you're passing through this way. Alright guys, we're just finished airing up on the side of Buttercup. That's all for this one. See you guys out there. Thanks for tuning in.